Hey guys, this is Sam down here at Carns Equipment. It's been a hot minute since I've done a video, but today I'm showcasing the 2025 Kawasaki Ridge in Camo, the machine that everyone's been waiting for. So Kawasaki Ridges, they come with your front bumper. This is the HVAC model. It is that nice camo. I know this looks like my fiance's Sitka camo, but it's got the glass windshield, it's got the wiper on there. Full doors, awesome doors. If you look inside, it does have the heat and the AC. It's got the nice enclosure. What the Kawasaki Ridges do have, they do have the differential lock along with your four-wheel drive, but very nice, and it does have electric windows. There's knobs on the side. You do have a full bed back here. This is the inline four, so it's a four-cylinder. You can dump the bed. What's really nice in the bed is that there is hooks in here, so if you ever need to strap anything down, there are hooks in there. Plus, if you need to tow anything around the yard, you got that rear hitch back there. But this machine just hit the sales floor here at Carns Equipment. I will guarantee that this machine will not last long because everyone's been waiting for this camo. I know hunting season is a little bit over, but turkey season's coming. So come down to Carns Equipment, check out this machine, and take this machine home today.